Creating a second Clash Royale account actually is quite easy. Make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. First of all, make sure that you do have your main account set up with Supercell ID. This is super important so that you don't lose the access. So click on Supercell ID right here at the bottom and make sure to create a Supercell ID if you don't have one already. Now, once you're logged in onto your ID, click on the settings on the top left, then click on Log Out. Click on Remember Me on this device and then just select Log Out. Then click on Play without Supercell ID. And now we will have to basically play the default tutorial, so make sure to just click through this. This shouldn't take you longer than 5 minutes. And once you've completed the beginner tutorial, click on the menu again, click on Supercell ID. Click on Next, 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 or just skip it on the top right, and then register a new Supercell ID. Make sure to put in your email right here. Click on Create, and then verify your mail. And once you've created your new Clash Royale account, we can actually switch in between these accounts by simply just selecting the account where we want to play on right here. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.